Hey everybody! So today I want to share with you guys how to make this green apple foaming face wash. It smells absolutely amazing and it's super easy to make. So to start out, this is the recipe, so you guys can just screenshot this recipe and refer back to it whenever you want to make it. But let's just get into it so you can see how I made it. So I'm going to be making a total of 6 ounces of face wash. And all you need to do is grab some kind of sterile container and place it on a scale and zero out your scale. So the first ingredient we're going to be adding is this foaming apple, which is a surfactant derived from amino acids obtained from apple juice. And we're going to be adding in a total of 25.5 grams of the foaming apple, and this is going to create the lather in our face wash. Now we're going to be adding some green apple fruit essence, which is essentially just water derived from green apples, and it has an amazing fragrance to it. So we're going to be adding in 25.5 grams of that. Now we're going to be adding in some aloe vera liquid, and working with liquid is much easier than gel, but gel works if that's all you got. And we're going to add in 17 grams of that. Then the next thing we're going to add in is 5.1 grams of vegetable glycerin. Then we're going to add in some hydrolyzed oat protein, which will help create a soft and cushiony feel on the skin. And all you need to do is add in 3.4 grams of the hydrolyzed oat protein. Now you want to add in some kind of preservative, and I'm going to be using Luicidal SF Complete, which needs to be added in at least 2%, so that equals 3.4 grams. Then lastly, we're going to be adding in some distilled water, and we're going to be adding in 90.15 grams of that. Then all you need to do is just mix all your ingredients together, and they will just blend perfectly because they are all water-based products, so no emulsifier or solvent is needed for this recipe. Then you want to grab in some kind of foaming bottle, which I'm just using the 6-ounce bottle here, and pouring in my face wash into my bottle. And that is all you need to do to create a foaming face wash. This stuff has so much foam to it, it is so crazy how much this lathers. So this face wash is definitely better for more oily skin types. Typically, foaming cleansers aren't the best for those of you with dry skin, so if you have oily skin, a foaming cleanser might be something you want to try out. So like I said, this stuff has so much lather to it, it's insane how much it lathers, and this stuff smells absolutely amazing because of the green apple fruit essence, so no fragrance oil is needed for this stuff. So last but not least, if you guys didn't know, I do sell all natural skincare products over on my Etsy shop, so if you're into that kind of stuff, then be sure to click the link down in the description box. I have a free shipping code and a 10% off coupon code down in the description box as well. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Let me know if you're going to be making it, and let me know if you guys have any requests for any future videos. Hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision, now I'm on a mission to find myself with you.